Yeah. Yeah. Oh my, what a wonderful.
Hi guys, for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a fall outfit, and I feel super confident in it, and so you can take pictures and just go out looking super cute. Like, this is for you girls who like are having one of those days that's like, what the heck do I wear? And I'm going to show you guys how to get out of that struggle and just always like feel and look your best. First off, you're gonna have to find one item that you want to pair around your whole outfit. So I think I am going to choose this sweater. There's something on it, but I'll get it off. I'll get it off later. But it is a black sweater with the shoulders cut out, and this is going to be what I am basing my outfit around. So second, you're going to want to find the pants that you want to wear, and I think with black you should probably wear like a medium or light colored jeans. So I'm gonna take these out because they're medium. That's one of my options. And I like these ones too, also medium. And then I'll give you guys like a skirt look too, in case you guys want to wear a skirt as well. So we have the shirt, and I try to get that white stuff off of it, but I think it's just like a bunch of cotton. And then we have our 3 options of pants. Obviously, we're gonna have to narrow it down to just one pair. Let's just do that now. I think I'm just gonna wear these ones because they're tighter and we're wearing a looser shirt. So with my body type, I don't like pairing loose items with loose items, so we'll just take these out right away. So here's our shirt, our skirt option, and our tight medium colored jeans. Now we have to find the shoes. So let's go. So since we are doing a fall look, I want some more like closed shoes, like something like this, instead of something like this that my whole foot is like showing. Like, we don't want any of that. We want it, or this, it's showing too much. We want something warm and fallish. So I think I don't really want to pair black with black, especially because we're wearing a medium colored jean. I think I'm going to go with these brown, because then the shoe will really stand out, and I love shoes. These are Jessica Simpson, if you guys want to look them up. And then also for the skirt, we could wear these too, but I'm also going to give us a boot option since we want to be warm because of the fall weather. Okay, so I have the shirt right here, so we're just gonna jump into the shirt. These pants are from American Eagle also, but I did cut them on my own, so sorry about that. Now for the pants. So now we are in the jeans. With the jeans, I always think that boots look better when you fold them up. So I'm gonna fold my jeans up. I love this look. Way better than just like the straight down. Now we got our shoes. This is our look right now. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck this in because I don't really like it just hanging straight down. I like to give it that like more like poofy effect and just like more, I feel like it looks more put together when it's like this. I am loving this right now. So I decided that our look needed a layer, so I just added a jacket wrapped around my waist. I don't really know how I feel about the shoes and the jacket because they're different. My jeans are like squeezing my legs. Okay, so I don't know how you guys really feel about the jacket and the shoes together because they are different browns. So, but I feel like I like it. It's not too much of a difference, and plus it gives it even more of a fall look with the jacket, the strings hanging off. I like this. Let me know if you guys like it also down below. I will try it on with some black shoes for you guys if you guys want that option too. So let me know down below if you like the brown shoes or the black. We'll see what I like too. So now I have this closed toe, kind of pointy, kind of not, and they're open right here. These are from Tilly's. I will try to find them and leave them below. I think I got dirt on them. But I will try to find them down below for you guys. So if you guys like them, you guys can get them as well. Hi! They got all scared. Hi! Okay, so let's just... So here is with the black, you guys. I like these black shoes a lot. Let me know what you guys think. In the camera, I really like the black better, but in person, I kind of like the brown. But let me know what you guys think. I will wear this outfit out for you guys. Maybe Sunday for church. So let me know if I should wear the brown or the black. But this is also for your guys' help too, to make your fall outfit perfect. Also, let me know if you guys like the outfit with my hair up better or with my hair down. I think I like it up so you could see the shoulders more, honestly. It's up to you guys though, let me know. So now we are going to go on to the outfit with a skirt. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I am. I love clothes and fashion and all of that stuff. So let's go on to the skirt. Here it is with the skirt. Here the skirt is, you guys. Obviously, like, you have to be careful with the way you tuck it. Here is the skirt. I am leaning more towards the jeans, honestly. But if it is a hotter day or something like that, but you do want to dress fallish, this is a good alternative. We can try it with the little boots too, honestly. Let's try it. Here are the little boots. I think this is super cute too. Personally though, I would go with the taller ones. Let me know, you guys, little or tall boots with this one. But basically the whole point of this video was to show that to make a fall outfit, you just need one item that you want to go off of, and mine was this shirt. And the rest of it is just like coloring, and like obviously with the black you're not going to wear black jeans, so unless you're going for that look. But in this one I guess we're kind of going more like country vibes, I guess. Yeah, so you just need the one item that you love, that, and if you can't find even like that one outfit, that one item that you want to wear, just like go to your like favorite pair of jeans, or like your favorite anything. Just go to your favorite jacket and you can make an outfit out of that too. Put pics, I don't know, can you put pictures on YouTube? Probably not. Okay. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all of that. I will be doing like a lot of fashion stuff for you guys if you want. So let me know down below if you want that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.